Meet the TW3221 wireless I/O module, a smart, reliable solution designed to expand the flexibility of modern wireless fire alarm systems. Powered by FosLink wireless communication technology, the TW3221 enables seamless input and output control without the need for complex cabling, significantly reducing installation time and overall project costs. Key features include DC 3V power supply using lithium batteries, ultra-low standby current below 30 μA, FosLink wireless communication with a range of up to 300 meters in open space, clear LED status indicators for normal, fault, and alarm conditions. With a wide operating range from -10 degrees Celsius to +55 degrees Celsius, and support for non-condensing environments up to 95% RH, the TW3221 is engineered to perform reliably wherever it's installed. Compact, efficient, and easy to deploy, the TW3221 wireless I/O module is the smart choice for enhancing system connectivity in modern wireless fire alarm applications.